This is a quick explanation about using proportions to transfer measurements from an image to a painting surface. The first thing to do is to measure your reference image. In this case, you can simply take a ruler and measure the image on your computer screen. There are all kinds of other ways that you could do this. You could print out the image and measure it. You could go to image editing software like Photoshop, and using it you can find out the dimensions of the image. However you do it, you just want to get the height and the width. In this case, it's 7 by 9 inches. You can be off by a little bit, and it's not going to hurt anything. When I say a little bit, try to keep your errors under a 1/4 inch. Here is how to conceive of proportions mathematically. On one side is the original image, which is 7 inches wide and 9 inches high. And that is going to be equal or proportional to your painting, which is going to be another set of dimensions. The shortest dimension on your painting should be 12 inches. And so we will be solving for the height, which is the longer dimension, and we're going to call that x. What we do when we solve for an equation like this is we multiply diagonally. That's what those two arrows are showing. So what this means is on one side of our equation, we're going to have 7 times x, or 7x, which is equal to 9 times 12, which is 108. If what we then do is divide 108 by 7, and we come to 15.43, which we're going to round up to 15.5. Here we have a cleaned up version of the previous slide. So your original image, 7 by 9 inches. I arbitrarily have decided that your homework should be 12 inches on the shorter side, and we were solving for the height. We now know that your painting will be 12 by 15.5. It's important for you to realize that you can solve for any dimension using this method. As long as you know the full dimensions of your original image and you make a decision about one of the dimensions of your painting, you can find out the other one. Thank you.